Welcome guys to another video. It is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And I am on this video honestly to talk about Online Sales Pro. It's not going to be a long video, but I want you guys to think carefully and the reason why I am shooting this video about Online Sales Pro. Okay. For most of you who are on my channel or people in general who have checked my YouTube channel out, or who are on my list or anything for that matter, who's following me, you guys know that I have my own system, right? My own system called the Pro system. Now, there's been a lot of work that's gone into it, but it is the one thing that I tell everyone that is a must-have is because of some of the, let's say, not failures, but more of the achievements and the things that I haven't achieved. Seeing the difference is mainly one thing itself. I need to have the right tools in order for me to get my message out there. So for me, Online Sales Pro was that breakthrough, was that moment where I was able to, take it away and actually go speed it up and move with it, And Online Sales Pro has done that for me. Now you may ask, David, what is Online Sales Pro? Why are you talking about it this way as if it's your business? It's not. I don't own this. It's a tool that has honestly changed my life. Okay, it's allowed me to generate leads. It's allowed me to grow a customer base, my YouTube channel, everything because of it. Okay, because of the marketing that is done for me, the done for you systems and automation that they have. You can use it to grow an income as well in case you don't have a product or service. Okay, but fundamentally, Online Sales Pro is a landing page software, so it gives you the possibility to build landing pages, to market everything, and gives the support as an all-in-one system. It even has an application on your phone to track your leads, so you can call them in case you have, a local business that you're dealing. If you're a meat shop or a car salesman or a window washer, etc., you can use Online Sales Pro literally for the offline businesses as well. Okay, it's just how you utilize it. Giving you a tip and a really good strategy for most business owners. You can take Online Sales Pro, build a page over here, go to some Facebook groups, local Facebook groups that you're not spamming or anything, but definitely if you're interested in any which ways promoting it there, your product or service in your area, it would be great. Just, get them to sign up, as in give you the email address, phone number, and you can call them and you can start to grow like this. Okay, because you may be in a locality, you can be in a city, and if you're in a city, that is the beauty of it. Okay, Online Sales Pro gets a lot of traffic, guys, but it is a must-have if you have the Pro system. So if you're watching this video, you want to know more about me, what I do, and everything else, come what may, whatever you're doing, I would suggest to get Online Sales Pro. Is a must-have. Okay, it's a must-have tool. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're doing network marketing, whatever it is, it's a must-have tool. Now, there are other tools like this out there. It depends on you which is a must-have tool for you in terms of having something similar to this or no. ClickFunnels is another one, and many others. Okay, for me, for the new person, and for anybody else that I know personally, Online Sales Pro serves the purpose. Okay, serves the purpose and actually allows you to grow your business. So let me just quickly go into the pricing because I want you guys to know upfront what it is. Okay, simply it is either if you pay monthly is $37 per month. Okay, if you go for the annual membership, which is about $300 US, is you basically are paying quite a bit less. Okay, you're paying 25 per month instead of 37, and annually you're paying 300. Okay, but there's definitely a huge savings here. So I would go honestly for the annual membership, but it depends on you if you want to go for a monthly membership or no. But it's pretty simple as a option. There's no complicated ones. It's just 37 or 25, or basically annual, which is $300 per year, or $25 per month. Okay, that should be in terms of the actual product in itself and what it has to do. If you want to see a demo of the product, just click demo on the main website. I'll leave a link in the description to Online Sales Pro, and you'll be able to look at the whole demo. Okay, I'm not going to go into details on that at the moment. But let's log in, and I want to show you what it can do for you, right? Like I said, I am constantly, and if I have a job and you have another job, or you're just traveling the world, you can still have your business working for you through online sales, through an automation. Okay, so my whole system is built on it. The beauty of it, for example, I'm going to show you a live example. Okay, I create many landing pages as well for my clients and for people, etc. So for example, somebody who's in trading and who likes the way I am teaching about iCoin Pro and the trading methods that we have in iCoin Pro says, David, I really like this, and this page is converting, guys, super, like really well. I'm not joking. This page is a hit for me. Okay, so they want to make a change, and they want basically, it's not opening. So let's do this. Let's just do this, and I want a view page. Should open a new page, and so this, for example, is a page that I have simply done, and you can do this if you're an offline business owner. So watch this, because it's a good tip to have in play. Okay, as you can see, this is a really simple page. Got my information right here: name, email, and phone number. So people have the opportunity to put their phone number as well. Okay, in this, and they click learn more. Now this page is a huge converter for me. It converts really well, basically. But in case you are in my business and you want to duplicate the same things I'm doing, the same kind of results that I'm getting, you can piggyback off me. All I do is click this button right here, okay, and you get a share code. I take that share code and I give it to you and anybody else, and everyone can copy the same page that I took the time to build. Okay, I took the effort, I took the whatever videos and everything that I did, but I'm giving it to you. And this is how I give away my whole system as well for free. Okay, I want to go to the dashboard, and this is a very simple way of duplicating your success and duplicating your methods. As you can see right here, I've been getting quite a few leads. I got 3 leads the other day, but hits on my website have more than 2,000. This week has gone a little less towards the end of the week, and now today it's about 24. Yesterday was around 700. But this is organically, guys. Okay, it goes up and down depending on how much energy and effort I'm putting in my business. So the more hits I get means, oh, more people are clicking on my website, more people are clicking on my link. Okay, and they might put their name, phone number, and email. Once they do, I get a notification on my phone, and from that I can call them and follow up with them and actually make the sale, either in person or online. I do it through email autoresponder, usually myself. Okay, but basically what I'm trying to say is that you can duplicate this. It's a must-have tool, because if I didn't have this, I would not have a business. I wouldn't have an email, I wouldn't have a name, I wouldn't have people to contact, and I would be, as I say, the old dusty store that no one wants to throw down and no one wants to do anything, but doesn't have any customers, and it's just collecting dust and rotting in the side. Do you want to be that way or not, is my question. I know it's a bit of a graphic image, but Online Sales Pro has definitely been my breakthrough. Before Online Sales Pro, guys, I was struggling for 4 years. 4 years and not understanding what to do. So it definitely changed my life. It's up to you now if you really want to get it or don't get it, or even just check out the Pro system. If you just look in the description of this video, you'll see that there's a link to the Pro system, and you can go through my whole process and see what it is that interests you, or whether you like it or not. Okay, keep in touch, guys. Have a great day. My name is David Pinto, and I'm going to see you in the next video.